All right, so if you have one of these Dysons and it's suddenly not really picking up and it makes a really, really loud noise when you turn it on, like it's tripping a valve, and it's basically what it's doing, like this. That means you have a really bad clog. So this thing is well past its service life. It's not going to be something that I try and fix, but for this specific problem, I can at least show you all what's going on with it and where these things kind of like to mess up and develop these clogs. Now you'll notice that when I leaned the machine back to use it like I would on floors or whatever, that's when it tripped that valve. But you could still kind of hear that there's a restriction just with it upright like this. And then you also have another issue here. This is another common problem with these. I'm not going to, like I said, fix this, but this is another common issue with these if you do lose suction. These hoses like to split, unfortunately. It's all Dysons do it. I've seen it on Sharks and Bissells too that use the same kind of thing. But anyways, let's go ahead and flip this over. See what we got to work with here. First thing we'll do is pull off this retainer clip. See if we can unhook this thing. Have a look in the roll area. I'm not seeing any clogs in here. This thing's probably good. I'm not seeing anything down here. I am seeing the tears in the hose though. Go ahead and pull the bin off, as well as the filter. Now it is possible that this filter is so clogged up that it's causing its own restriction. That's pretty bad. I can't even see through this when I hold it up to the sunlight, so that's junk for sure. You'll see this is the changeover valve that gets actuated every time you lean your machine back. If I can get it to do it, see how it flipped over just like that. And then when you put it back upright, it changes back up to here. So no clogs here, surprisingly. Let's continue to press on. Take the cord off, knock that over. And we're going to take our wand out, and I can already see a clog in here. Pull this off. A clog in the hose, that's good. Very odd place for these to clog is at the wand, but this one is definitely clogged. So I'm going to grab a stick to try and push this out. You just need something really long to get down there and kind of help it out. I don't know what they sucked up with it. It's probably dried up dog crap. So let's get this back on the machine and see if that fixed the restriction. All right, so I'll just throw this thing all back together at this point. That motor does not sound good. Yeah, I'll be scrapping this thing for sure. Oh well. Hope it helped you. Stay tuned for more videos.